Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. The 16th of January. This is our daily recap and our weekly recap, and it goes out there for free. If you want to join us, link in the description, smartoptiontrading.com. Click on live trading alerts. We'd love to have you in a room where we discuss trades, news, option flow, technicals, and anything here and in between. So let's talk about this week. We'll start off with the VIX since it's up already real quick. And the VIX here today is saying there's not much to worry about. It did peak earlier this week. It's come back down. It's a little bit off the low it put in of 1338, but not much going on. The SPY put a new all-time high in on Monday and then did its normal blah. I want you guys to think about what's going on here. The SPY had every reason to dump this week. Sunday night, we had the news that the Department of Justice has opened an investigation, or more than an investigation, I guess, whatever, into Powell, the Fed chair. That should have killed us there. We had Trump threatening to attack Iran for the first half of the week. We should have dumped on that. Bottom line is the market held tight. The SPY is still holding just fine. It's broadening out. Market breadth is still good. Everything, most of the market's good. If you're saying, why are we down, Mike? What's going on? We talked about this morning. The S&P 500, 34% of the S&P 500 now is Mag 7 names. That weighting is driving these indexes right now. They've let the Mag 7 get too big purposely. And now you're seeing the problems with that is that they have complete control of the indexes. So they really need to adjust those and bring those back down to size. By the way, the ES today doesn't look as bad, just an inside day was just slightly red. The Qs, not much going on, remains weaker. The IWM, another new all-time high today, continues to be strong. The Dow, very close, acting well. Energy popped earlier this week on the thought that we're going to attack Iran. That crude come off the market. ExxonMobil hit a new all-time high. Chevron had a nice move. Schlumberger as well, and Halliburton, but not much going on there. The banks, very mixed week for the banks. The banks are down this week. And this is because of earnings. They did not like earnings from JP Morgan, which is try to recover a little bit, but not much. They did not like Bank of America, Citigroup, right? Trying to recover. Wells Fargo, they hated. They did love at Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, both of which hit new all-time highs. What else? Boeing's been on a tear this week. Look at this move here holding up. This thing continues to levitate higher. Walmart today is down a little bit. It goes into the NASDAQ on Tuesday morning. Remember, the markets are closed on Monday for Martin Luther King Day. So it's a 3-day weekend. Also, the Fed blackout begins starting tomorrow. What else, guys? Let's talk about what we traded, what we did here, what was good, what wasn't here at times this week. Um, you know, Palantir has been all over the place, but it's coming back in. Hood also, not looking too pretty. That 100 area is not looking like the place we want to find there. Microsoft broke down this week, lost that 465 area, a little bounce today. Meta broke down this week, filled that little gap. Not much of a bounce so far. Google still on the 8-day, broke below it today, but still holding it, showing strength. Apple went down into this gap, didn't finish filling it, looks bad. Amazon continues to hold the 21-day, well, 3 days in a row. As long as that holds, it's fine. Tesla just remains mostly out of play, squeezing between the 100 and the 21-day. Netflix new range lows continues to be weak. The semis, SMHs, new all-time highs yesterday and today. Micron, new all-time high today, right? Continues to fly. Um, Taiwan Semi, if you're worried about the AI trade, Taiwan Semi said, nope, it's all good. New all-time highs, beat and greatly increased their guidance and their capex to try to meet production. Well, help me out, guys. What else was good this week? Coin had a nice move with crypto bounce. Didn't hold, but look at this bounce on crypto. Broke out, caught that for a bit. Now it's back on this 895 area. It's a big area. It needs to hold there. AMD had a nice couple of days, a nice 4-day move here. Even still up again today. 5 days here. This name is up. Nice move. This one's trying to wake up. We're trying to watch to see if it can break out. So, not everything's bad. NVIDIA remains stuck. Not much going on there. We saw names like APP, which has been a favorite of you guys, getting killed. Salesforce, getting killed. SNOW up today, but been getting killed. ServiceNow. They don't want the cloud space that space right now. So it's all been about finding trades. Rocket Lab, new all-time highs today. ONDS today, they had their investor day. It wasn't what the people were looking for. It was good, just not enough coming back into the 12. I'll be looking to reload lower from here. What else, guys? Avgo just had a big pop today. All right, now late today, moving up. We caught flow on that late. Yep, we talked about Google already. So overall, things are, broadening out. We're seeing other sectors in play, other names trying to move. Riot had a nice day today, breaking out on that deal with AMD. So with that said, I'm going to wish you a wonderful long weekend. I will catch you guys all on Tuesday morning if you want to join the room, and I'll do charts on Monday. Have a great one. Enjoy.